Hi guys, welcome to the Drive channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this wonderful boom and crash strategy. This strategy is a double any account strategy. This strategy is a very effective boom and crash strategy, as a strategy you can use to treble, triple any account that you come up with that you have. If it's a small account or it's a bigger account, with this strategy you can use this strategy to double it up and make massive profits, as I did here in my own account. You can see right here, this is a $2,000 account, and you can see it's already been doubled. This is $2,000, $215 account, and it's already been doubled to $4,500 account, which I've already been making 2,200 plus profit. This is a strategy you can be using, and it's an effective boom and crash strategy. So if you want to make this type of profit, you want to make this type of money, could you make by watch this video to the end so that you will miss anything that I'm about to say with this strategy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on your push notification so that I put this strategy, you guys will be aware. So guys, I've already make a lot of money, so I decided to hold this trade till I make a video about it, so that you guys can also know that this strategy is one of the best strategies you can be using to trade boom and crash. So I'll be closing out all my trades now because this spike catch me. I don't know that I don't know that this spike is coming, so I've already made, let's see, $600 plus profit, but due to the spike, so it collect little profit too, and then I'm okay with it. So I'll be closing out all my trades now, so then we can move further with. So I have closed all the trades, and I'll close everything. So let's move further with the strategy. So, but before I move further, let me first I'll show you guys the trades. So let's move further. So this is the trade. So we have already closed out with $2,372 profit. So this is a joke strategy. So I want you guys to know that we do something. We offer account management starting from any amount. So we offer account management. So I'm going to leave the number right in my screen, so you can just contact the number you are seeing that screen. Is a WhatsApp number, so you can contact us there for an account management. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, you can join my Telegram channel for free signals. You can join for free. I'll be posting a lot of signals on my Telegram channel, and then I think I'll be active on my Telegram channel, so you can join my Telegram channel for free signal. So with that being said, let's quickly move forward with today's video, today's double account effective strategy. I'm super excited about strategy, so let's proceed. So this is strategy. So the strategy is based 1 minute strategy, 1 minute time strategy. So it's containing just the indicator we are seeing, just the indicator we are seeing right here now, indicator window 1, and the indicator right in our chart. So that's what we need for this strategy. So I think I'll be deleting everything up so we can start from scratch. So I think this is it. I have already deleted everything up, so we are starting from scratch now. So just go to this icon right here. Click on it. Then the first indicator we are going to be adding, then click on this icon. So the first indicator we are going to be adding is called Ichimoku. So this is the Ichimoku right here to get everything up. So this is the parameter for the Ichimoku. This is the parameter. Set everything up like this. Then after I set everything up, just do a screenshot or set it up. Just pause the video to go share it up and come back. So after set everything up like this, then click on done. So when you click on done, then you have your Ichimoku setup. So the next thing we are going to be the next clip we're going to be adding is going to be in our indicator window 1. So just click on this icon right here. Then go add your stochastic oscillator. So add your stochastic oscillator up. This is the parameter for the stochastic oscillator. So I want to get to set everything up like this. So and after I set everything up like this, then click on the levels. So this is the levels for stochastic oscillator. This is the 10 levels and 19 levels. So this strategy is scalping strategy, so we'll be only going for a buy on crash, and we're going for a sell on boom. So after set everything up like this, click on done, and you have your stochastic oscillator right in your chart. So the next oscillator we are going to be adding is our awesome oscillator. So we set the awesome oscillator right here. So we are adding everything up, just set it as default. Set it as default, then click on done. So once you have that set up, then the next indicator we are going to be adding is our moving average, which is going to be the last one but not the least. We are going to be adding our moving average up. So this is the moving average right here. So this is the moving average right here. So we are adding our moving average. So the parameters for this is the parameter for the moving average. So this is parameter for the moving average. So we are expecting the moving average to give us a better confluence, better confirmation. So just set everything up like this, then click on done, and you have your moving average set up. So I think we have everything set up now. We have everything in place set up. So the next thing we are going to do is just to tell you guys the zoom level. So let me tell you guys the zoom level before we proceed on explaining how you guys can make use of the strategy. So now the zoom level is going to be just when you zoom out completely, just do what? Zoom out twice. So this is the first one. So this twice. This for so this is the last one. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Sorry. Somehow have issue with this level. So this is first one, and this is the second one, I think. So exactly the zoom level we will be using the second zoom level. So we could be using zoom level. Once you zoom out completely, we are expected to zoom out twice. The first one and the second one. So this is zoom level we'll be using, or you can just zoom out once. You can just zoom out once, then you are good to go. Just zoom out once, or zoom out twice, then or zoom in twice. Zoom in once or zoom in out, then you are good to go. So now what are we expecting before we take any trade? So let me first add this up. So we are expecting something right here. So you can see we are expecting. Let me have it. Okay, so let's first use this example, then we proceed with the second example. So now this is what we are expecting right here. So this is what we are expecting. So let me first use this, then I'll be adding one here, so you guys can see the dot more clearly. So now based on our chart, so what are we expecting? We are expecting this Uchimoku to change from green to red, red, which indicates that the market is going for a sell. So once this green line is changed, or this green Uchimoku is changing to red, then we are expected to go for a sell right in our main chart. And now for more confirmation, for more confidence, then you have to see that the awesome oscillator changing from green to red, which means that it's changing from a green direction to red. So the green one is for spike, and the red one is for scalping. So we are expecting to change the red, and you can see the awesome oscillator is being at the 10 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Now changing up, which means that it's changing up to showing that the market will start selling. But this is not a clear entry. We're expecting a clear entry right here. So what is a clear? So let's look for a clear entry. So let's look for a clear entry, a better entry. So let's look for a better entry now. So okay, so now let's see you want to take a trade now. Let's say you want to take a trade, and we're expecting to take a trade when this Ichimoku changing to red, showing us that the seller is in control of this market. So we can see we are expecting more of sell when the Ichimoku is turning to red, and then we are expecting to see that your stochastic is later reaching 90 levels or the 80 levels. So let's add the forget one level. So we are adding. So if you see what in this video now, so congrats. So we are adding the so 80 level. So we're expecting to see that the awesome later reaching 80 or 90 levels of the something like here. So 90 exactly. So sorry guys, let's continue. So you see that the oscillator is at least touching the 80 or 90 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Okay, so and we are expecting that the price should start moving to the downside. Now it doesn't necessarily that we see the moving average is at the 90 levels, but it's just for more confirmation, for more perfect entry, which you can see right here that the moving average is at the 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and also oscillator as well is changing from green to red. So we are expecting to see that the oscillator also will reach 90 or 80 levels of the stochastic. If you're reaching the 90 or 80 levels of stochastic oscillator, and then we're expecting to go for a sell. It doesn't necessarily the moving average reaching the 80 or 90 level. Just make sure that the moving average is also aligned with the price. So with this awesome indicator, so that's what we are expecting. So we're expecting to go for a sell right here. Expecting to go for a sell, which you can see right here. This is one of the clear setup. It's one of the clear setup that can give you a more and a confidence entry. So we are seeing that the Ichimoku turning to red. Here as well, we can see that the awesome oscillator changing to green, and is above the price, not below it, not below the 20 or 10 levels, above it. And you can see that the moving average also touching the 90 or 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator. This is a clear confirmation. I see all the percent accurate confirmation you can use to trigger your trade. You can see we have catch this long candle, this long one. We have catch all this. So you are expecting to close your trade when you see that note, don't close your trade when you see that the price turning to green. That's just to fake you out. You are expecting to close your trade when you see that the price is above the Ichimoku, which you can see right here. This one is also a fake one, so which you can see right here. The price is above the Ichimoku. So that is for boom. And for crash now, we'll be using crash order, which is that's where I took my trade. We'll be using crash order now. So now for crash order, we are expecting to go for a sell when. So let me first add this up. So it will be a lot more easy for you. So we are expecting to go for a sell when you see that the Ichimoku is turning to green, which you can see right here. And we're expecting to see that the awesome oscillator is changing to the green, and below and at the 20 or 10 levels of the stochastic oscillator, which is right here. And we are seeing changing from red to green, and the moving average at the 20 or 10 levels of the stochastic oscillator. That's a confidence, a clear entries which can use to catch 20-50 candles. But to catch just 5 or 10 candles, we are expecting that this criteria have been made, but the moving average might not reach the 20 or 10 levels. But just make sure that all this Ichimoku and the awesome oscillator meet all criteria, which means that the awesome oscillator changing from red to green and reaching 20 or 10 levels, and also the Ichimoku is turning to green. So that is one of the best ways you can use to catch 5 to 10 candles. So I think that is this strategy also used to catch spike. But to catch spike with this strategy, you have to be patient. So we have to see that let's say we want to catch spike now. Let's catch spike here. So we are expecting to see that the Ichimoku is turning to red, and the price is below the Ichimoku indicator, and we are seeing that the moving average is at 90 levels or 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and also the price has turning from 90. The price has turning from 90 to 20 or 10 levels, which shows that the market is going for a sell. So that is it for scalping. Same thing applicable on bone. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this type of content, and I hope you guys see a lot of benefits. You want to make this type of money, you want to make this type of profit, then this strategy is for you. Make sure you watch this video till end, and if you are still watching for now, I'm very sure you have better understanding about strategy. If you don't understand the strategy, just do if me video by make sure you go back and watch it again, so you can have a clear understanding about strategy, or just contact me on WhatsApp. And if you want account management, you can contact the number you are seeing at the screen. Just contact the number you are seeing at the screen. We are going to do account management for you. Okay, you can also join my Telegram channel for free signals. For free signal, join my Telegram channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Hit our phone strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.